Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of laundromats. You know, those places with the spinning wonders that make our clothes smell like springtime? We're going to uncover why owning a laundromat might just be the perfect spin cycle for your own financial freedom. So toss in a load of your attention, add a cup of curiosity, and let's get this wash started. Laundromats are more than just a place to clean your clothes. They are a hub of community activity and a potential goldmine for savvy entrepreneurs. Imagine owning a business that practically runs itself, with minimal staff and a steady stream of customers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of this unique business opportunity. Get ready to spin your way to success.
Okay, let's be honest, when you think business opportunity, a laundromat might not be the first thing that pops into your head. But trust me on this one, folks. Owning a laundromat is like having a front row seat to a money-making machine, and you don't even have to fold the bills. Although, you know, it's good practice. First off, everyone needs clean clothes. It's a basic human need, right up there with snacks and Wi-Fi. And not everyone has a washer and dryer at home. That's where you come in, like a superhero in a dryer sheet commercial, ready to save the day with sparkling clean clothes and fluffy towels. Think about it. People are always going to need clean clothes, and the convenience of a laundromat is unbeatable. It's a service that practically sells itself. Plus, the overhead costs are relatively low. Once you have the machines, maintenance is minimal, and the return on investment can be quite impressive. And let's not forget the community aspect. Laundromats often become social hubs where people meet and interact. It's a place where you can build relationships and foster a sense of community. So, if you're looking for a steady, reliable business with a built-in customer base, a laundromat might just be the perfect fit for you.
Now let's talk business. One of the best things about owning a laundromat is that it's a relatively low-maintenance business. Once you've got your machines, set up your payment system, and maybe stocked up on some detergent, you're pretty much good to go. You don't need to hire a big team of employees or worry about constantly ordering inventory. This means you can save a lot on labor costs and reduce the complexity of running your business. Plus, think about it. Laundromats are pretty much recession-proof. Even during economic downturns, people still need to wash their clothes. People still need clean clothes, even when times are tough. This makes laundromats a stable and reliable business option. So you can relax knowing that your business is built on a solid foundation of socks, towels, and t-shirts. The consistent demand for laundry services ensures that your business remains steady and profitable. With low overhead costs and high returns, owning a laundromat can be a very lucrative venture. You can focus on maximizing your profits without the stress of high operational expenses. And let's not forget, laundromats often become a staple in their communities, providing an essential service that people rely on. This can lead to a loyal customer base and steady income. Building good relationships with your customers can also enhance your business's reputation and lead to even greater success.
Let's be honest, we all love the sound of coins jingling, right? Well, imagine that sound multiplied by a whole laundromat full of machines. It's like a symphony of steady income. That's the sweet music of a steady income stream. People pay for each wash and dry cycle, which means you have a consistent flow of cash coming in. No need to chase down invoices or wait for clients to pay their bills. And the best part? You can even set up your machines to accept credit cards and mobile payments. This makes it even easier for customers to do their laundry and for you to collect your earnings. Imagine the convenience and the peace of mind knowing that your income is steady and reliable. With a coin-operated laundromat, you're not just hearing the sound of coins, you're hearing the sound of financial stability. It's a business model that practically runs itself, giving you more time to focus on other ventures or simply enjoy life. So if you're looking for a business that offers a steady stream of income with minimal hassle, a coin-operated laundromat might just be the perfect fit for you.
Okay, picture this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping a cool drink and soaking up the sun. But wait, you own a laundromat. How is that possible? Well, my friend, that's the beauty of owning a laundromat. It offers a surprising amount of flexibility and free time. You don't need to be at the laundromat 24/7. You can hire an attendant or even manage it remotely with the help of technology. That means you can set your own hours, take vacations, and spend more time doing the things you love, whether it's salsa dancing, collecting stamps, or just enjoying a good nap. Imagine planning a spontaneous trip without worrying about your business falling apart. You can go hiking, read that book you've been putting off, or even learn a new skill. Spend more time with family, attend concerts, or just relax knowing your business is running smoothly. With the right setup, you can check in on your business from anywhere, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to enjoy life. Whether it's a day at the spa or playing your favorite sport, owning a laundromat can give you the flexibility to live life on your terms.
Here's a fun fact: the demand for laundromats is actually growing. More and more people are living in apartments and smaller spaces without in-unit laundry. Plus, let's face it, sometimes it's just more convenient to go to a laundromat, especially for those big, bulky items like comforters and sleeping bags. That means there's a huge potential customer base out there just waiting for a clean, well-maintained laundromat to come along. So, you can feel good knowing that you're investing in a business with a bright and shiny future. The convenience factor is a major draw for many people. It's not just about washing clothes, it's about creating a community space where people can connect. And with the rise of eco-friendly machines, laundromats are becoming more sustainable. So whether it's for convenience, community, or sustainability, laundromats are here to stay. Investing in a laundromat means you're not just starting a business, you're providing a valuable service to your community.
Life is full of surprises, right? Some good, some not so good. But here's the thing about laundromats. They're pretty darn resilient. Think about it. People still need clean clothes no matter what's happening in the economy. Whether it's a rainy day, a heat wave, or even an economic downturn, people will always need to wash their clothes. That makes owning a laundromat a relatively low-risk investment. It's a business that can weather the storms and come out smelling like fresh laundry. Families and individuals alike rely on laundromats for their daily needs, and satisfied customers keep coming back, ensuring a steady stream of income. With proper maintenance and occasional upgrades, your laundromat can stay competitive and profitable. Plus, being a part of the community means local support, which is invaluable during tough times. So if you're looking for a business that can stand the test of time, a laundromat might just be the perfect choice.
So, you've opened one successful laundromat and now you're feeling like the king or queen of clean clothes. What's next? Well, you can always expand your laundromat empire. You can open more locations, maybe even franchise your brand. The possibilities are as endless as a dryer sheet commercial. You can start small and gradually grow your business at your own pace. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the proud owner of a whole chain of laundromats, spreading the joy of clean laundry and financial freedom far and wide. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your brand in multiple locations, each one bustling with happy customers. It's not just about the money. It's about creating a community hub where people can come together, do their laundry, and leave with a smile. As you expand, you'll also be creating jobs and opportunities for others. Your laundromat can become a cornerstone of the community, providing a valuable service and a friendly atmosphere. So take that leap and start planning your next move. Whether it's opening a second location or franchising your brand, the sky's the limit. Your laundromat empire awaits.
Well, there you have it, folks. The wonderful world of laundromats. Who knew that something as simple as clean laundry could hold so much potential?
So, if you're looking for a business opportunity that's both rewarding and easy to manage, a laundromat might just be the perfect fit. Remember, everyone loves clean clothes and everyone loves a good business opportunity, and with a laundromat you can have both. Think about it: low labor costs, steady demand, and the ability to operate 24/7. Laundromats offer a unique blend of stability and profitability. Plus, with advancements in technology, managing a laundromat has never been easier. From automated systems to energy-efficient machines, the modern laundromat is a marvel of convenience and efficiency. So, if you're ready to spin your way to success, consider investing in a laundromat. It's a business that not only cleans clothes, but also cleans up in terms of profits. Here's to your future success in the laundromat business.
The business world is constantly evolving, and adaptability is essential. Successful entrepreneurs not only have great ideas, but they also know how to adjust to market changes and take advantage of new opportunities. An effective strategy is to surround yourself with a talented and diverse team. Diversity of thought and skills can drive innovation and take your business to new horizons. Don't forget the importance of resilience. There will be challenges and failures along the way, but every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It is the result of effort, dedication, and a clear vision. Keep your passion burning and keep going, even when things get tough. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. See you in the next video. Until next time, entrepreneurs, much success on your path.